Selecting the right tape cuts costs, makes packing faster and reduces damage. Hello, I'm Gerard, Director of Plus Packaging, and today we'll be showing you how to select the right tape for your particular application. So there are three types of adhesives on the tapes. There's the acrylic, there's the hot melt or the fast tack adhesive, and there's the solvent or natural rubber adhesive. Those are the three types. Okay, so for 80% of applications, you can use the acrylic tape. Providing the box is reasonably good quality board grade, not too heavy, then acrylic does the job. Simple and easy. RE tape. And our lovely silent dispenser seals the box nice and tight every time. Now, when can't I use acrylic? So we're saying 20% of applications. Well, if the box is dusty, been in the warehouse for a long time, then do not use acrylic. It will look nice at the time, but then it will lift off after an hour or two. You have to use solvent in those cases. If you're going to put this straight into a cold store, it's not wise to use it. Majority of applications you're fine, or if the board grade is poor and the boxes are furry, don't try and use acrylic. So, but for 80% of your applications, in and out, go with the acrylic. Okay, so when are you going to use the fast tack hot melt adhesive? There's only really one application where you're going to select hot melt. That is when you're on a production line, boxes are coming down fast and you need an instant fast grab. So you select the hot melt adhesive. Incredible, immediate tack, and it's often used on machines. The reason why this works very well on machines is because there's no residue build-up on the knife blades. So those are the two applications where you're going to select the fast tack hot melt. So when do we select solvent? Well, solvent is the premium of all tapes. It is the tape that sticks the strongest and sticks the longest. And if you've got any doubts and worries, then you'll select solvent. But primarily, if you're packing stuff into cold store, then you want to select solvent because you know it's going to stick. Despite the cold and moisture content, it will always stick and hold the product down. So great for cold store applications. If you've got heavy weight, so this is a printer's box, they're always heavy and you're anxious, select the solvent. You know it will hold and it will do the job. If you're packing old or crumpled boxes which are dirty and dusty, don't use the acrylic or the fast tack, go for the solvent. It will seal regardless. And finally, if you've got multiple use items, you might be packing cardboard boxes, you might be using polythene. Acrylic and fast tack don't always stick with polythene, but your trusted solvent sticks to everything and anything. Okay, so that concludes our little talk about tapes. So the takeaways are to remember, there's three types of adhesive. There's the acrylic, that does 80% of applications and it's very cost effective. There's the fast tack hot melt, which you use in production line, pressure situations, goods are in and out to the customer quickly. So that's it on the tapes. We hope that was informative and useful to you, and we look forward to sharing with you our next episode.